Halo Sobat Wisata, it's me, Teuku Dodi Alfayet, 23 years old, coming from one of the most historical cities in Aceh, none other than Banda Aceh. Challenge is part of our life. Without challenge, you will never learn something to improve yourself. Just like my hobbies that could never far from something challenging. After graduated from President University, I decided to start my own business that hopefully could benefit people around me during COVID-19. I also created a program called Muda Bisa to train, empower, and help the society so that they could addressing their own steps. And here I am, representing the land of heritage, Banda Aceh. Bata tunyo be mengisi, bata pudu bumelabang.